Hey, yo, I like it. Do you like it?
Okay.
I like it. I like it.
You ready? I'm ready. You ready? Let's get it. All right.
Yeah.
There's a lot of ways to live your life, but I'm gonna just stay fly. You might think my style ain't right, and that's alright, 'cause I like what I like. I don't follow trends, don't hang out with hollow friends. I don't look through a borrowed lens. I trust my sight, and I like what I like.
I stick out like a sore thumb, and a bunch of sore thumbs, I stick out like I'm the sorest one. I suffer from boredom, cause what a lot of people think sure is fun, I think it's sorta dumb. I got my own taste like wasabi, liking what I like is my hobby, you can't stop me. Properly weird, not a sloppy carbon copy, I'ma find 3 or 4 more weirdos and start a posse. We probably won't agree on much, but there's a reason such far out folks that wanna keep in touch. Even if I don't think what you're thinking, I dig that you got your own opinion and you're not a minion. Original and authentic, and if we all mention that we like something, then we all meant it. We don't do it just to fit in.